Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado LT. This is the crew cab version with the 5.3 liter V8, of course. When you upgrade to the LT, you get keyless entry, as well as push button start and all those other amazing features. This one does not have the spray-in bed liner, but you know what? It still is absolutely perfect, and that really isn't much of a deal breaker. Handle, step side. Even though I'm gonna get a hate comment. I'm not calling this a step side where the step is here in the side. Of course, you have DEF where the DEF would go. Now it's just, squishy. Wee, squishy. With the LT, you do get remote start. Starts up like a charm. Shut it off, hold the button. Of course, the sticker's on the other side. LT also comes with some chrome accents all throughout. This one's pretty well optioned. All-Star Edition 2815. Adds a bunch of different things. The bench seats, the power driver's seat, the heated driver front seats, dual zone climate control, leather wrapped and heated steering wheel, the steering column, tilt telescope, the LED lighting, and the trailering package. And then this one is the upgraded 5.3 liter V8 for a total price of $48,205. Being your crew cab, nice full-size back seat. Do have two USB chargers right in the back. Foot on brake. She purrs to life. A couple different drive modes: sport, off-road, and normal. Move it to the left, you also have tow haul mode. So you can use that to test your trailer lights. That's pretty cool. First time I've seen that in here. Your backup camera. Leather wrapped dash. Leather wrapped wheel is heated, just like your front seats. They're two mode heated. You can heat just the backrest or the back and bottom. And this is a bench seat. Let's go ahead, take it out on the road. .3 in this application is mated to the 8-speed automatic transmission, just like the 8-speed that's fitted to the 2.7 liter turbo. So far, every V6 I've found in the Silverado lineup's been mated to the 6-speed. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's the only transmission available with that engine choice. Upgrading engines also upgrades your transmission. Do believe your high-end Silverados come with a 10-speed automatic. But here's why I would choose the 5.3. Just the amount of torque is absolutely phenomenal. Brake pedal, very, very nice. You can't feel the end of the pedal travel, which is a massive complaint for a lot of vehicles, where you press the brakes and by the time you go full brake pedal you feel a stop. I don't like that. I like having, where it's pressure dependent. It's not position dependent, it's pressure dependent, where the amount of pressure you put down correlates to how much braking you actually get. Obviously, this is not focused on handling, however, it's not absolutely terrible. The steering weights up nicely in sport mode. Brake pedal, of course, adding to the sporty experience, as well as throttle response being sharpened. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.